Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MS Creations Handmade. Lord Ganesha has been an integral part of my artistic journey. For those who don't know, I am into making customized nameplates. As having Lord Ganesha on the nameplates is auspicious, I have been making Ganesha idols on the nameplates since the time I have started making these nameplates. So in today's video, I thought of paying a tribute to Lord Ganesha, who has been such an integral part of my artistic journey. In this video, I am going to share a very easy tutorial for making clay Ganesha. So let's begin the process of making. Observe the video carefully, and if you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comments box. For the base, I am taking a cardboard and then on it I am going to make a texture. For that texture I have taken baby powder and glue and mixed them together. Mix both of them so that a flowy consistency is maintained. Now apply this paste onto the cardboard and leave it to dry. For making clay Ganesha, I am taking Fevicryl molded. You can take any air dry clay of your choice. I have taken 2 packets of Fevicryl molded and then mixed both a resin and hardener together. Now watch the video carefully and follow the process. By the time we have made this clay Ganesha, the cardboard base on which we had applied the texture paste must have half dried. Now using any sharp tool, you can create any texture of your choice. Now while the clay is still wet or it has not dried completely, we will glue the clay Ganesha and the mouse on the cardboard base so that it gets stuck very firmly. You can also use Fevicol or any glue to stick it on the base. Leave it overnight to dry completely. Now the base texture and the clay, both of them have dried completely. Now we'll start painting. So for the base color, I have used black color and I will paint the Ganesha and the mouse white. We should always give a base coat of white color to our projects. This will help the other colors to stand out nicely and they will look brighter. After the black and white base coat, let it dry completely. Now we will start coloring. The first color that we are going to do is the skin color, which is the flesh tint color. After applying each color, let the color dry completely and then apply the next colors so that they don't mix when they are wet. Now we'll color dhoti for Ganesha. It is your choice whether you want to use orange or pink or green or red color for that. I am using orange color here. Enjoy the remaining coloring process now. Now we will paint the base texture. For that, I am taking a little color on my fingertips and applying on the base with my fingertips only. First I applied red color with my fingertips, and then after it dries completely, I will give a slight color coat of golden color. For the ornaments, you can use ball chains, diamond chains, or sequins also. You must have seen that I have not made any mukut for Ganesha, as I wanted to have an actual cloth mukut on it, so I did not make any mukut with clay. So first I have stuck a ball chain on the head of the Ganesha. Then I will stick a diamond chain on it, and after both of them have dried, I have made a cloth mukut on it and stuck on it. On the border of the base, now I am sticking some mirrors. Somehow the mukut making video got deleted while shooting. I'm sorry for that, but mukut making is very easy. Take any cotton cloth and make a fan out of it. Then stick it to the diamond chain that we stuck onto the head of the Ganesha already. On the fan edges you can stick any diamond chain and also decorate with sequins. Your clay Ganesha is ready in no time. You can use it as a decor in your home, or you can gift it to somebody as a housewarming gift who has just shifted to a new house. If you have not understood any process, please do comment in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you on your comments. And if you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such interesting DIYs. Stay healthy, keep watching my videos, and thank you. And bye bye.